We have a 2019 Subaru Ascent Limited, 25,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in silver. Really nice full-size 7-passenger SUV here. Actually pretty new to the Subaru line. I think it came out in 2018. So if it sounds a little foreign to you, I'll go over some of the really nice features of this vehicle. Like I say, nice to have a large SUV offered by Subaru. You can see the high intensity headlamps there, as well as the LED fog lights. A lot of chrome embellishment throughout the front of the classic Subaru styling there in the front end. Come around to the side, we got Cooper tires here, light new, good meat on them. We also have the brushed aluminum face with the gray pocketed alloy wheels. You can see a nice resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. We sign off the results of that by the inspection to complete it and keep it in the glove box of all of our cars. I'll show you that shortly as we look in through the passenger side front seat area. You can see it has charcoal leather covered seats, full power seat on the passenger side as well. Two captains with a full console in between, floor shifter. See a little two-tone dash with the gray and the charcoal and some chrome embellishments, kind of breaks up the monotony. So you got a little contrast there. And see, we got all the books. That is a massive little packet of books there. Actually, unfortunately, they do not have the mechanic report in here unless they stuck it in the book. Now, we do have the factory window sticker, though, as you can see. Take a peek of that. And you can look for the mechanical report in our photo gallery. But you can see there all the equipment. See over a $40,000 vehicle, brand new. So very, very nice to have all the books and window stickers. You can see the plug-ins for the trailer. No, we're not missing any equipment on this particular vehicle. Let's give you a look here at the second row. You can see it is captain's chairs in the second row, which is nice. You also have the all-weather floor mats. Give you a peek there of the third row. Very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room all the way around here. Also in the back of that console, you can see we got audio and fan controls, heated rear seats. We do have two different charging ports, a little cubby. So very well connected there on the back of that front console. Again, Cooper's all the way around like new. You can see wheels aren't beat up or scuffed. As we work our way around to the back, you can see the Ascent and Limited badging. Also see the control there, or the backup camera, power lift gate. As that goes up, we have it programmed to only go halfway, but it does have the power lift gate. 60/40 fold down on the rear seats. Real easy, simple pull handle. Fold these down straight and flat, as you can see. The other nice thing about this is it does have the textured back, making it nice and protecting whenever you're loading, getting rid of the 7-passenger. Another power supply back here for tailgating. We also got another power lift gate button there. Again, Cooper's all the way around. Very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. And you see full power seat, including lumbar there on the driver's side. Before I get into the tour, I'd like to show you we do have two sets of keys for this vehicle. As you can see, proximity keys. Also, on the controls, does have memory seats on the Limited, programmable with two settings. Also, windows, mirrors, and locks. Let's go ahead and start the car up. Foot and brake, push the button. While it fires up here and warms up, I'll show you the Carfax. We'll keep that on the dash. No accidents, one owner, very clean Carfax. Let's continue the tour here. We also got your lift gate. This is where you can hit the button for the power lift gate. That's where you can determine the height. We also got dimmer for your interiors. We do have, looks like blind spot. Turn that on and off, traction control. Headlamp controls on the left of the stem, including high beams and turn signals. You do have automatic headlamp settings there. We do have volume controls to the left of the wheel with your Bluetooth. We also got, as you can see, laser cruise is what I call it. You can set your distance. Also lane keep, alert you if you get out of your lane. So really some tech features, nice safety features there on the right side of that option or window there, steering wheel, excuse me. Can see all the different settings in the center stack that we can flip around through. Instant fuel economy, your angles, Really cool. All the different settings, dates and times. There's your instant fuel economy, distance till empty, different audio settings. So changing all that with these controls. Also AM, FM satellite radio, as you can see here. We also got analog controls, single CD analog controls here for the radio and the climate, tri-zone climate, heated seats on the front as well. It does have all your connectivity, USBs, audio pre-ins there. Ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission down here with paddle shifters, upshift to the left, downshift to the right. 2 large cup holders, electronic parking brake, nice little cubby there. Again, you can see the lanes keep forward collision warning. It does have the SOS alert through Subaru Link, LED map lights, illuminated visors. So I think very well equipped. Obviously limited top of the line trim. Gives you a lot of equipment, a lot of safety features. Hood release is right there. Take a peek under the hood here. See, very clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminal, as you can see there. Looks like a new one, very well maintained by the previous owner. Shut the car off. We'll get into the last portion of the video. Now, I explained how we completely go over the vehicles mechanically. Also showed you a copy of the auto history report. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. I'm just going to walk around, be your eyes and ears, show you a couple little stone chips here. Another little one right there. It's primarily all we're going to see. We do have professionals come in and remove any tiny small dents. They factory match, touch up any minor scratches. So really, you can see the bumper sensors there as well. Really, that's just some, we show you a couple little stone chips, a couple little nicks in the paint. That's all we're more than likely going to find as we make our way around the vehicle. Try to give you a like new alternative at a used price. Like I said, vehicle well over $40,000, brand new. Only a 1 year old with 20,000 miles. You can save an awful lot of money by purchasing this vehicle used. Still does have the remainder. Subaru's comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable to the second owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania, or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on the web at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.